How to change Google Chrome search engine settings. Let's suppose if you search in the Google Chrome here, like Google Chrome, and you will see here it is searching on in the Yahoo. Okay, so how to change into the Google? If you want to change this into the Google, it will search automatically from the Google. Come here in the three dots and then scroll little bit down. You will see more tools, help, and then setting. And if you click on that, you will see here lots of options. You will see here search engine, and you can see here we have Yahoo. Now how to change this? If you click here, and you will get lots of options here: Google, Microsoft Bing, and DuckDuckGo, and you can simply click on that. Google set as default, and even now if you Google Chrome like that, if you search, and you will see it will search from the google.com. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.